While Russia keep pushing with massive amounts of armored vehicles and tanks, their losses are incredibly high and unsustainable in the long term. This, however, does not seem to stand in Russia's way of trying, as seen with this BMP-3 firing off at a trench. While the threat on the front line is constant, this video shows just what can happen from 1 second to the next, as the BMP-3 suddenly erupts in a massive explosion. With a FPV drone being behind the sudden explosion, as the weaker armor with a lot of ammunition inside can often result in this, making a cheap drone to obliterate a BMP-3, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.